Have you ever struggled with writing complex formulas in Excel, only to end up with errors and wasted time? Well, buckle up, because the future of Excel has finally arrived. AI-powered formulas generated by ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to integrate this game-changing tool into your workflow and unleash a new level of productivity. First things first, you need to set up the chatbot. If you haven't already, download the ChatGPT Excel add-in from the Microsoft Store. Once installed, open a new Excel spreadsheet or click on the Add-ins tab in an existing one and select ChatGPT. This will open the chat interface, where you can start interacting with the AI. Let's say you need to calculate the total cost of a product with a 20% discount. You can type in a simple phrase like calculate cost with 20% discount in the chat window, and ChatGPT will generate a formula for you. For example, if the initial cost is $100, the formula would look like this.